If you use HubSpot's Marketing Hub, you can create and add graphics to your social media posts directly from your social dashboard without even leaving HubSpot. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 quick and easy ways to do this by integrating your HubSpot account with Canva. If you're not currently using HubSpot's Marketing Hub, then don't worry. Martin and Elisa Shervington, the founders of Plus Your Business and HubSpot Platinum Partners, have an exclusive and very generous offer for you. I'll be talking a little bit more about that later in the video, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled. If you're new to this channel, I'm Nicky Pasquier. I am a Canva certified creative, and I help startups and small business owners successfully market their brands online using some of the best marketing tips, tricks, and tools. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that little bell notification so that you stay up to date with all my latest tutorials. Let's make a start now by hopping over to my Canva account. So I've created a social media image to promote my latest YouTube video, and I want to transfer it directly to my HubSpot Marketing Hub. So I'm going to go to the left-hand side toolbar, scroll right down to the bottom, keep scrolling until I find the More button with the 3 little dots. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to scroll down the Apps and Integrations until I find the HubSpot icon. I'm going to click on it, and now I can connect my Canva account with HubSpot. So I'm going to click on the white Connect button. I'm then going to carefully follow the set of instructions that appear on my screen. I'm going to locate my HubSpot account and click on the link. I need to click here to connect the app and confirm I'm not a spammy bot. I'm just going to reduce the sidebar so it's easier to see. To transfer this image over to my HubSpot account, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner of my toolbar, find the Share section, and click on the 3 little dots. Scroll down until I find the HubSpot icon, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select my file type, so I want to share this particular image as a PNG file, and click on Save. Canva will now save my image directly to my HubSpot account. So I'm going to click on this tiny link that says View in HubSpot. And there is my Canva image. The next step I need to take is connect my social media accounts with HubSpot. Looking at the HubSpot toolbar, I can see a tab that says Marketing, which I'm going to click and then select Social. From here, I'm going to connect my social media accounts. I'm going to select LinkedIn just for now, but you can choose whichever one you want. And again, all I need to do is follow the easy set of instructions on my screen to connect LinkedIn with HubSpot. I don't use my business account very much, so I'm going to select my personal account. And now all I need to do is click on the Next button. And here I am on my HubSpot social media desktop. And now I'm going to show you the 2 different ways to create and share a social media post directly from HubSpot. I need to click the orange button that says Create Social Post. And I'm going to select my LinkedIn network. I'm going to type the text for my caption and click on this little icon to insert an image. And I can see the Canva graphic, which I transferred over to HubSpot, so I can click on that to select it and add it to my post. I can now preview my post, and once I'm happy, I can either schedule the post or save it as a draft. The second easy way to add a Canva graphic to a post is, once you've got to this stage here, instead of selecting one of the images you've already transferred, go down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see a little button that says Design with Canva. Click on that. Click on the template you want to use. So I'm going to select social media, and HubSpot will now transfer me over to Canva without actually leaving HubSpot. I now have the option to create a graphic from scratch, or I can select a template which I've already created from one of my folders. I'm going to name my template and then click on Save. And Canva is magically transferring my template over to HubSpot. And there it is. So all I need to do now is click on the image to insert it into my post. And as I did before, all I have to do now is click on either Schedule Post or Save as a Draft. And if you're wondering where on earth all your Canva graphics go, once you transfer them to HubSpot, go to the Marketing tab again, click on it, find Files and Templates, click on Files, and you'll see a little subfolder that says Canva Images, and you'll find them right here. And that is all there is to it. Now, I mentioned at the start of this video that I have a very special and exclusive offer for you from the founders of Plus Your Business. Martin and Elisa Shervington would like to offer you a 20% discount on their HubSpot onboarding services. I'll leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out the services they provide. To claim your discount, all you need to do is mention my name, Nicky Pasquier, to them when you get in touch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're interested in learning more of my Canva tips and tricks, they're coming up right now in the end screen. I will see you next time.